Alrighty, so we're going to be comparing which one foams best. This one, that one, that one, everybody knows that one, and that one. And we're going to be using this one. Alright, let's do this. So it's all going to be the same. Everything's going to be measured. There, 250. The Snowstorm first. There. One thing I like about the Snowstorm is it's super thick. Oh, it's really thick. It's really thick. It's really nice. But how well does it clean? You can actually grab this. And not very slippery. We'll let it sit for a bit. It's really dry. This is really dry, but it did a really good job carrying the dirt down. Not a whole lot. That's how dirty it is. Alright, same deal with the next one. This cold water. $250. Now this is my spare bottle. I put McGuire's hyper wash in there. Gotta stir it up. It's pretty thick too. Alright, next one. McGuire's Hyper Wash. This one might have foamed a little thicker. And it's very slippery. Oh hey, look, there's something else you need to see in an Auto Fanatic. They have like clumps. That's what it looks like. McGuire did a much better job with cleaning. You see all the dirt. You see it as it's coming down, you see the dirt goes down. You can see this is the Auto Fanatic right here. It looks like the soap crystallized. Here's more of the McGuire. Okay. Next one. Alright, next one. Honeydew from Chemical Guys. This one you can actually find it on Walmart now. Choose 50 cc's and 50 cc's. That's just like every other. 300. Come on. It's It's a lot wetter. You can see it leaves like a residue. That's okay. How well does it clean? Look in there. Doesn't clean that well. You can start seeing some right there. Right there. How thick? It's pretty thick. Not as thick as the McGuire's, but it's there. Alright, last but not least, the megaphone by Adam. We're a little short. Go Adam's megaphone. There. Alrighty. And the megaphone is actually the best when it comes to diluting. It's really quick. It's really thin. Alrighty, last one. Smells like bubblegum, megaphone. All the soap. This one foams the thickest. But just because it's got a thick foam begs the question, how well does it clean? This is McGuire's. You can start seeing the streaks now. There's a long streak right here. It looks like an Adam's megaphone. How well does it clean? That is really thick foam. How slippery is it? Somewhat slippery. I think the win would go to Chemical Guys with the slickest. And it washes off. You did a pretty good job cleaning out the dirt. There's still some here. It doesn't do a whole lot.